Hello everyone, my name is Maddy Forberg and you are watching my cooking show. Today I'm going to show you how to make a protein mug cake out of my favorite protein, isotope protein. The best one to use for this is the peanut butter chocolate because everybody loves peanut butter and everybody loves chocolate. This recipe only has a few ingredients and it's super quick. It takes 60 seconds in the microwave. And it's not the most aesthetic looking one, but it's the most delicious protein recipe you'll ever make. So, we've got our 1 scoop of isotope protein. We're gonna use a tablespoon or more of peanut butter, a handful of chocolate chips, 2 egg whites, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So let's get to making it. One scoop of isotope. Just a few chocolate chips because chocolate chips make you happy. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Spoonful. You can give yourself a generous amount of peanut butter. I'm allowing it. Perfect. And then 2 egg whites. Ooh. That one was messy. Like I said, it's not the most beautiful thing you'll ever make, but it's the most delicious protein recipe you'll ever have. Then, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it together. Then you're gonna add a little bit of water just for a more smoother consistency. And you have to tap it like this because sometimes there's peanut butter left on the spoon and you can't leave that left behind. You deserve that peanut butter. All right. Then you put it in the microwave for 1 minute. One minute. It's rising. Like I said, it's not the most beautiful dessert you'll ever make, but that's not the point. So, protein mug cake in 1 minute with peanut buttery goodness. That's all you really need, folks. Money. All right, kids, so that was Mad Dog's protein mug cake recipe with my favorite protein, isotope from Redcon1. Super easy to make, super delicious with chocolate chips, peanut butter, fantastic. 1 minute. Try it out, let me know what you think.